Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to use the Cargowise software. So in this video, we cannot really sign up for an account because we have to talk to them first in order for us to create an account. And of course, since this is a business tool, we should have a proper business email. And then we have to input the details of our company in order for us to sign up for an account. But still, I am going to discuss to you in this video the different solutions. So we'll try to discuss here on the freight forwarders, customs brokers, warehouse operators, carriers, and the trade operators. So let's start with the freight forwarder. So we have here international forwarding, customs and compliance, international e-commerce, transport, transit warehouse. We have mega features, parcel, enterprise, and then the Cargowise Neo. So here, I think we're just going to discuss two. So let's start with the international forwarding. Okay, so with the international forwarding, as you can see right here, okay, so we have a faster bookings and smarter decision. So here, the air freight operations on tight timelines, so where speed and precisions are non-negotiable. So the CargoWise connects you directly to airlines, manages bookings and updates in real time, and gives you structured control over every stage of the shipment. Compare options, secure capacity, and track progress from a single system. So it the system designed for high frequency execution and full visibility. So schedules, rates, and e-bookings. So you can search schedules from leading carriers and airlines, compare the routes, and apply voyage details with real-time ETD and ETA updates all directly in your workflow, and then compare buy and sell rates by lane, carriers, and commodity. And then here we have the visibility you can act on. So the CargoWise sets the standard for an end-to-end supply chain visibility across every job, mode, and workflow. Extend the same live data to your customers with the CargoWise Neo. Okay, so we have your custom and compliance, automate screenings, classifications and declarations, landside, warehousing, and accounting. All right, so now let's proceed to the next one. We have customs and compliance. Okay, so for the customs and compliance, so the global customs management, flexibility without fragmentation, performance without compromise, rely on CargoWise to keep you moving. So for the global compliance here, local rules, global control, and faster clearance. So with deep native connection to customs authorities and regulatory systems worldwide, the CargoWise delivers the structure, speed, and control to clear customs controlled goods across borders with confidence. So the cross-border compliance, limit exposure, identify the risk, and act early. So as regulatory requirements shift across regions, CargoWise keeps your processes aligned and compliance informs it enforced at scale, designed to support consistent, auditable decision making, give your teams the confidence to move fast without losing control. And then the financial compliance, secure transactions, financial integrity, centralized oversight. So built for financial accuracy at scale, reduce manual effort, apply local rules, and keep your teams aligned across the markets. Okay, now let's proceed to the custom brokers. Okay, so we have here the bonded warehouse. Okay, so let's focus on this one. So you can integrate your custom brokerage and warehouse operations. Okay, so they have boost productivity, powerful single view, and minimize the risk. Okay, so we have the custom and compliance, product warehouse, and then the international e-commerce. Right here for the features, we have the warehouse setup. So quickly creates virtual or physical 4PL warehouses and manage your customers' bonded goods wherever they're being stored. and then track and trace. So monitor inbound and outbound inventory movement with the history of goods received, stored, and passing through the bonded warehouse permanently recorded. And then we have the regulatory compliance, capture and record damages, shortage and overage, ensuring accurate and timely electronic declaration processing, and then select inventory tools to group inventory by line or product so operators can view and select goods quickly and easily with just one click. And then security controls prevent operators from accidentally selecting the same inventory items from the same warehouse with the advanced security controls. Okay, now let's proceed to the warehouse operators. For the warehouse operators, we have product warehouse, bonded warehouse, transit, parcel. So let's just go to the product warehouse. Okay, so this one is a scalable solution to optimize your warehousing and distribution processes, improve data quality, streamline processes, and then total transparency. So deep integration interfaces, ease of implementation, high scalability, powerful automation, inventory control, cartonization, optimization modes, cost reduction, final mile delivery, and across road, rail, sea, and air. So the Cargowise is changing the game with the production rules engine. So we have inventory allocation, put away, cycle count, task creation, and the wave creation. So here, efficiently manage your end-to-end warehouse operations. So warehouse optimization, warehouse operations, and integration. Okay, now let's proceed to the carriers. Okay, so let's go to the liner and agency. So you can run your ocean operations smoothly from port to port. Stay connected to your global network, productivity at the center of your business, increase visibility and control. So here, schedules and bookings, intuitive schedules and booking functionality is the foundation for every vessel record where detailed booking information can be stored and set to satisfy yours and your customers' requirements. Okay, so voyage management, bookings by cargo type, flexible booking functionality, job ghosting, order rating, invoicing and receipt, and then real time capability, availability, and automatic data entry. So, I think that's just the important details that we have to discuss. You just have to visit our website if you want to read more about the other features or solutions of the CargoWise. So, that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.